Looking for long, beachy waves that last? Look no further than the new Insert Name Here Extra Inches clip-in extensions. Let me show you how to go from this to this in no time. My hair is short and thin and I want to achieve more length and texture, so I'm going to start by using my Insert Waves Here hot tool from INH. I love this waver because I can get my whole head covered so quickly. Now before we start clipping them in, I'm going to show y'all a quick little extension hack for those of you with shorter hair. I'm sectioning off the very bottom section and then dividing it into two. I'm then braiding the two sections into these little baby braids, crisscrossing them in the back and bobby pinning them up. Now you can add one weft under the braided section and won't have to worry about your shorter hair peeking out underneath. From there, just clip in the extensions like you would any other clip-ins, and now you have the perfect long beachy waves for summer. These 24-inch extensions are made out of their Infiniflex fibers, so you never have to worry about the waves becoming flat. Be sure to check out the new Extra Inches clip-ins and OG waver only at Insert Name Here.